In this video, I'll be showing you a tool that will make you money while you sleep. It's nearly worldwide available and you just have to follow all of these steps in the tutorial to get started. Just before we jump straight into the video guys, I want you to support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up below. Hey guys, this is Flatter Treasure. I post new money making methods every single week. So guys, if you don't want to miss any future uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I have a new and a fresh strategy to make money online, so you'll be one of the first to use it. So the site that will be actually paying us today is called SpyFu.com. Now this is a website I'm pretty sure none of you have ever heard about before, but believe or not, you can make a lot of money now. This website, what actually does is it helps other people with either their website or Google Ads to get more traffic for a small amount of money. The way it accomplishes is seen right over here. SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. Search for any domain and see every place they have shown up on Google, every keyword they have bought on Google Ads, every organic ad, and every ad variation in the last 14 years. So as you have seen, this tool essentially spies on more successful competitors and allows people to replicate the success of said competitors. Hence the name SpyFu. Now this may sound a bit complicated and overwhelming at the moment, which is why I urge you to stay with me, because we'll be not paying to this tool first and foremost, and secondly, it's not nearly as complex as it may seem, and in fact you don't even need to know how the website traffic works and what any of these things mean. So it's a very easy and a fresh strategy guys. Now there's a lot more to do to this website that you can read if you want to guys, but as I said, you don't really need to know anything more apart from the fact that it increases traffic to websites and various advertisers on Google. So what you need to do is, when you come on their homepage, is scroll down to the very bottom and click on affiliates right here. Now SpyFu is absolutely fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and it's mainly because of this recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. So let me break down what this means. If someone you refer to here keeps paying SpyFu for like a year, that means throughout that entire year, you'll get 40% of what they pay to this website, which is huge. So you have three very big things about this affiliate program. Firstly, it pays a lot as it's in recurring commissions. Secondly, making it a go-to website for someone looking to make money in passive income. And the third thing that makes the recurring commissions that much better guys is that people will need this simply because they'll be getting a huge profit. And yes, they do pay SpyFu, but they'll be getting a huge return of that investment, which will be, of course, encourage them to keep using it for longer periods of time. Actually, on this page, you'll see soon enough exactly how many people stop using this tool after they start. I'll get to that in a second. In any case, people sticking around means you'll be able to earn more money even if you refer a small amount of people to this website. Anyway, if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see more info concerning their affiliate programs. So they have in a 365 days tracking cookies. What this means is that when you send someone your affiliate link, if they don't sign up via that link right away, that means if they do so in literally a single year, you'll still get paid nonetheless. This is an excellent feature because just as it says below, not every visitor converts right then. So this allows you to earn money even if people you refer to here don't sign up right away. The next thing you can see is that you can get paid twice a month, and more importantly through PayPal or wire transfer. And I know many of you love PayPal, so it's for sure available with this website. Here you can see this site allows you to earn money in true passive income, and here's exactly what I was saying before with less than 4% of churn rate. SpyFu customers rarely leave. Your recurring commission holds real value, so only a mere 4% of people stop using this tool after they start. Now, this further shows how much potential this site offers you. Most people you refer to here won't stop using it, which is one of the best features of this website's affiliate program. The last thing you can read on this page here are the frequently asked questions, but I won't go over them. To start as an affiliate on here, just simply click on start earning every month right over here, create your account and grab your affiliate link. The last thing I want to show you before we move on to the traffic source, guys, is something I know you'll want to know, which is how much money are we talking about here. By the way, you can check this out by yourselves by clicking on pricing right here. Anyway, this site offers 3 different pricing plans: basic, professional and team, all of which offers the annual and monthly pricing options, with the latter being slightly more expensive. The professional pricing plan is one of the most people go for since it's not too expensive but also not too cheap. But think about it like this, guys: if you bring 10 people here and then they'll all take an annual professional pricing option, that means you would have paid SpyFu around $7,200. Since you get 40%, that is already nearly $3,000 a year for just 10 people. So this site can most definitely make you a lot of money. With that out of the way, let me now show you how you'll be getting traffic to that affiliate link. So what you need to do is come over to Google, and the first thing you need to do is make sure your ad block is turned off. So Google will show you ads when you search for something, and what you'll need to do is search for the stuff that will show you ads. So for example, I search for weight loss and there are quite a few ads popping up. But it doesn't have to be healthy related ads. So you can search for a product of some sort or whatever the reason we are doing this, because those advertisers will be our customers. But there are 2 important factors here. Firstly, don't open up ads that show up on the very first page of Google, but the ones that you find on the second or a third page. Second important thing is do not open up the first ad you see, but the third and the fourth. Let me elaborate a bit as to why we are doing this, because these advertisers are giving Google hundreds of dollars daily, but if they are not on the first page of Google, that means they are losing like 90% of the potential traffic. In turn, this means that they are losing a lot of money, and since they are advertising, we know that they have a decently large budget, and so they'll be more than willing to give SpyFu a try in order to get more traffic to their ads. Your goal is now open up one of the ads, and you need to do is find the contact info of those people, so their Instagram page, Facebook page or email address, whatever it may be. For me, I found their social media info at the bottom right here. So you'll now contact these people and tell them the benefits of SpyFu. Just go through all of its features and tell them that it's a great investment for them. You'll do all of this for different advertisers you can find, and a majority of them will be willing to give SpyFu a try, guys. I can guarantee you that. However, this is not above I have for you today is, in case you don't know how exactly or what to search for, guys, a site called infinitesuggest.com will be of huge help to you. Now, this will give you a keyword suggestions for those oblivious a keyword is a word or words people type in for searching for something. And so if you type in weight loss like I did, then it will show me all of these keywords, and each time I type in one of them, different ads will pop up, and this fashion I won't run out of any potential clients, and I will be easily able to find many of them. It's just simple. Just repeat the process over and over again and make thousands of dollars passively. And with that said, this is just the end of today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it and like my content, then make sure you give a big thumbs up below, and in appreciation, also hit that red subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you soon.